Now, ladies and gentlemen, part 2 of my WWE collection. A little bit more. This is the WWE throne chair. I really seriously don't suggest this for bigger people, bigger kids. Only holds 130 pounds. I thought it holds bigger than that. That's WWE SmackDown throne chair. That was cool, I guess. I mean, you can sit in it. I also have, this is kind of not in the WWE thing, but a Dale Earnhardt autograph and a Teemu Selanne autograph. I'm going to show you a lot more of that stuff later, but now my WWE D-Generation X neon clock. Highly suggest it. I really like the clock. Really nice. I have a WWE World Tag Team Championship belt, the WWE Championship, and the World Heavyweight Championship. This is the limited edition WrestleMania 24 and the WWE WrestleMania 24 ring, which also came with a bench, a crutch, a fire extinguisher, and a chair. Now that was cool, and that's pretty much my WWE collection. Trust me, it is always updated. Here are a couple of my pendants. I have a 619 dog tag. I have an Undertaker pendant. I have a Save Us Y2J pendant, and then a SummerSlam card that came in the mail, but that's behind my DX clock. If you have any comments on my collections, please state them. Be sure to subscribe. I haven't got many subscribers. More videos coming soon on hockey and other collections. Stay tuned to BD Super Juggler 1. Bye.